Good morning, everyone. Dear respected chief guest, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear brothers and sisters. My name is Miss Chandrika Singh of class 2. Independence Day is a festival of freedom for us. India got Independence Day on 15 August in 1947. We remember millions of our freedom fighters on this day. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today is 15 August and we are celebrating 77th. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country. I must Good morning and happy Independence Day to everyone. My name is Mr. Dulak Kumar Yadav in class 2. Independence Day is a festival of freedom for us. India got Independence Day in 15 August 1947. We remember millions of freedom fighters on this day. I love my country and very proud to India. Thank you.
Okay, start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anshu Singh. I study in class 1. Today is 15 August and I were all a very happy Independence Day. Is national hour of country. Day today is
Respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Isha Velmich. I study in class 6. It's an honor for me to address you all on our 77th Independence Day. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. It is the day when we got freedom from British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. So we celebrated Independence Day every year on 15th of August to remember all the sacrifices who had sacrificed their lives in getting freedom for India. We can never forget the sacrifices of the Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai and Chandrasekhar Azad, who had lost their lives in early age just for fighting for our freedom. Thank you.
My name is Prashasha Kishponda. I study in class 6. Mahatma Gandhi was the one and only who led India to get freedom with the help of non-violence. Finally, the result 200 years of struggle came in front of 15th of August 1947 when India got freedom. First Prime Minister of India Jawaharlal Nehru raised the Indian flag at a red fort in New Delhi. He also gave the famous speech on that day. It was called Trust with Destiny. After independence, we get all the fundamental right in our own nation, our motherland. We all should feel proud to be an India and admire our cotton that we took birth on the land of an India. Now with these I would like to end my speech. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning, everyone. Respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My myself Saksha Jwala and I am from class 4. Today we are fortunate that Germany is an independent country. And we have our own fundamentals right. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect, it to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Together we can build a brighter future for all. Our country prosper and my every citizen enjoy the fruits of freedom. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning everyone, respected chief guest, principal, teacher, parents, all my dear friends. Myself is Simon Manjeshwari and I am from class 4. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel grateful to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friend, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai and many other devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning, respected father, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Saud Gudu. I am very grateful to stand with you to speak few words on this auspicious day. Today is 15th August, and we are celebrating 77th independence of our country. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is National Festival of India. We are really proud to be an Indian. Just 77 years ago, we got freedom from the British ruler. The story of our freedom struggle is very large, which cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. On this day, national flag hosted on every public places. This day, we fly national flag at our school, offices, homes and different public places with a great happiness. Therefore, my dear citizen, it's a day inspire us to stand unity and work together to build an India, a strong nation and a strong country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
A very good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Myself Alisa Toko from class 9. I stand before you to deliver a speech about Independence Day. We have come here to celebrate the 77th Independence Day of India. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from Britishers. First Prime Minister of India, Chacha Nehru, raised the flag and gave his famous speech that day. It was called Traced with Destiny. India became a free nation on this day. Freedom is not easy to get. Many brave freedom fighters had died. They had died to make the country free. We should remember their courage and fight. They bravely fought for 200 years. We must remember them, honor them, raise the flag high, sing national song. Do not put the flag down. Do not tear the flag. Freedom is very important, so keep it safe. With this, I end my speech. Thank you and happy Independence Day to all.
My name is Edu Pindo. I am from class 3rd. A very good morning to everyone. Today we have gathered to celebrate our Independence Day. We must begin this day by praising for the development and progress of our mother nation. Good morning, respected principal, teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Abhak Marsing. I am studying in class 12. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on Independence Day. Before forward, I like to wish you all who are present here a very happy Independence Day. Today is a historic day in the history of our country. On this day, 15 August 1947, we got independence from the British. On this day, 15 August 1947, we got independence from the British. As a freedom-loving, brave nation. The freedom that we are enjoying today is the result of decade-long struggle made by our forefathers and our great leaders. Thank you. Good morning, respected principal, teacher, and all my dear friends. My Independence Day. Celebrate just 77 years ago. We got independence from the British. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is important for every Indian. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Swara Devangan. I am studying in class 5th. Today we have come here to celebrate the 77 on 15 August in 1947 we got Independence Day from British. First Prime Minister of India Chacha Nehru raised the Indian flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. He also gave his form speech that day. It was called Treat with Here a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Vidya Devangan. I study in class 6. It's an honor for me address you all our 77th Independence Day today. As we know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years hard struggle by the great fighters of India. So we celebrate Independence Day every year on 15 August. Remember all the sacrifice. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Satyam Rajwade. I study in class 3 today in 15 August. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is national festival of our country. And this year we are celebrating 77 Independence Day.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Myself, Resmi Singh. I am from class 9. Today I am going to speak a few words about Independence Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day, friends. As we all know that 15 August is the day of honor and pride for every Indian. On this day, in 1947, India got independence from British rule. Beated their whole life of the freedom of our country. Today let us salute all these freedom fighters and leaders. Today we are developed in the field of technology, education, sports and many other, which could not be possible without freedom. So it is our duty to work hard for the country. Development and progress, let us all pledge today to do our best and make our country the best country in the world. Thank you.